ibang tao sa bahay, hindi man lang ako na-brief. You cannot go wrong kung ito yung ireregalo mo. Sige, follow me. Kasi papatayin kitang langaw ka. Uy, baby, nahinay lang. What are you doing? Good morning, guys! 11:59 sa morning pa. Happy Friday! Tapos ko i-edit yung aming mukbang ni Dan. Sobrang haba nung video na yon. If you wanna watch that, link here, guys. 42 minutes. Almost 43 actually. Yung mukbang na yon. So, I started editing that yesterday. Ngayon ko siya natapos. Nag-start ako kahapon kasi alam ko na magiging mahaba siya. And I need to clean the house. I need to clean the house. So sabi ko, kailangan wala pang hapon. Tapos na ako sa editing ko kasi I need to clean the house. Alam niyo ba to itong si Dan? Nakakaloka si Dan. Kahapon, kasi araw-araw talaga guys, pumupunta siya sa block. Tinitingnan niya. Wala lang. Gusto niya lang pumunta. Ininayaan ko siya kasi he's excited. He's very happy. He wants to check the lot multiple times a day. That's fine. He went, biglang may nakilala siya mga tao. Nung bumalik na siya dito, nag-drive siya dito, meron siya nakilalang Chinese family, galing silang Hong Kong. And bigla na lang nagluluto ako, di ba nagluluto ako kahapon ng tinola. Bigla na lang akong may narinig na si Dan, oh, ito yung bahay namin. Pinapasok niya, no problem at all. Pinapasok niya yung pamilya para i-check yung bahay. Sabi ko, nakakahiya, ang dumi ng bahay natin. Sabi niya, hindi naman madumi ha, magulo lang. Kasi we have paperwork everywhere. Like, there. Usually, wala kasi yan. Sobrang maaliwalas ng bahay. Not sobra, pero maaliwalas yung bahay. Pero kahapon, sabi ko, sobrang nahihiya ako kahapon kasi pumasok sila. Tapos, magulo pa yung kitchen counter ko kasi I was cooking. Tapos, bigla na lang, ang proud ni Dan. Like, alam ko naman na proud siya sa akin. Pero sabi niya, this is my wife. This is my beautiful wife. I'm so lucky. Sabi ko, bakit may ibang tao sa bahay? Hindi man lang ako na-brief. May ibang tao sa bahay. Tinur niya yung mga tao sa bahay, guys. So, sabi ko, maglilinis ako. Baka may dalhin na naman siya ibang tao sa bahay. Nakakaloka talaga si Danny Boy. Ano yun namin, neighbor namin ba dito sa bahay na to. Tapos wala lang, nakita niya daw. Nag-usap-usap ata sila. Tapos biglang pumasok na lang dito. Ay, nako, eto si Danny Boy. Anyway, meron pa akong leftover from kahapon. So, iyan yung kakainin ko, guys. Yung ating chicken tinola. So, hindi ko na yan paproblemahin yung aking lunch. Pero, hinihintay ko lang na ma-save yung video para ma-upload ko na siya agad-agad. Like, I literally just finished editing. And, yeah, 33% na siya. Anyway, meron akong package galing sa, pakita ko sa inyo kasi I'm so happy. It arrived really, really quickly. Package galing S&Co Luxury Silk. So, binigyan na nila ako ng package before. Yung natanggap ko from them is yung pillowcase na I love so much. Kaya lang, isa lang yung pillowcase ko. So, ako lang yung nakakagamit. And gusto ko na i-share yung luxury feel kay Danny Boy. Anyway, yung natanggap ko last time is pillowcase na silk at saka yung hair tie. Binigay ko kay Miss yung isa. Tapos yung sa akin I kept yung black. Yung kay Miss binigay ko sa kanya yung pink. Yun yung natanggap ko, and I think I received a mask as well, did I? I think I did. They contacted me again and asked me kung ano pa yung gusto ko. So sabi ko, pwede bang pillowcase? Kasi usually guys, sabihin ko lang talaga whatever you wanna send. Pero this time, kasi nga gusto kong i-share kay Dan yung like pillowcase na feel. So sabi ko, pwede pillowcase? So sabi like, yes, of course, no problem at all. And we talked yesterday, I got these today. Adelaide din pala sila. Dito din pala sila sa Adelaide. So, Grace, thank you so much and thank you for the personalized card. Very greatly appreciated. Look at this. S&Co Luxury Silk. The packaging is very luxurious. Kung naghahanap kayo ng mga regalo, guys, lalo na sa mga like biyanan na mahilig sa mga ganon, I highly recommend silk. As in, sobra. Medyo may kamahalan nga lang siya, but I promise you, it's worth it. Kung gusto niyo lang like pang-gift sa sarili niyo or pang-gift sa iba, look at this. It's packaged really nicely. So, it came with this. Dito yung packaging niya. Pero, yung actual packaging talaga ng produkto is that. So, meron sila nung sticker ng S&Co Luxury Silk. Meron siyang, ano dyan, paper. Or like, thick tissue paper. No, paper. And then it looks like this. Very nice. See? Tapos, let me open it, guys. Ayan. I requested for this. Oh my gosh, so pretty! Hala guys, ang ganda. Yung meron ako ngayon is yung parang rose, very light na rose na shade. So, I requested for this one. It's not white. Para siyang very luxurious looking na may pagka very, very light gray nung kulay niya. See? Very nice! So, meron akong dalawa nito, guys. So, itong isa, same siya. And ito pala yung website nila. Ililive ko to sa description box, ha, if you guys are interested. Lalo na sa mga taga-Adelaide dyan, kasi they do express shipping and I got it like the next day. Imagine, ha, kahapon ng hapon kami nag-usap and na-receive ko siya ngayon. See? Ito pala yung packaging niya, ha. Ayan. Very nice and luxurious talaga. Like, perfect talaga to pang regalo. You cannot go wrong kung ito yung ireregalo mo. Napakaganda niya sa feel talaga. Ito yung gagamitin ko sa pillows namin ngayon kasi papalitan ko na yung aming bedsheet and aming mga pillowcases. I will do laundry today and cleaning today. It's very well packaged. Very well presented. Very nice. Thank you so much, S&Co Luxury Silk. Oh my gosh, I wanna Instagram it. Wait, Saha.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that.
Guys, it is time! Tatanggalin ko na to! Ito yung puzzle na ginawa ko yung sa New York. And tinape namin siya dito kasi gusto siyang i-display ni Dan. Okay na sana sa akin after ko siyang binuo. Okay na sa akin na ibalik siya sa box. Kaya lang sabi ni Dan, display mo muna kasi pinaghirapan mo yan. Sa lahat ng puzzle na ginawa ko, ito yung pinakamahirap din naman talaga in fairness. Wait, tanggalin ko lang. Tinape namin to para hindi gumalaw. So, sana hindi naman masira yung puzzle sa tape. Feeling ko hindi naman kasi close yung ano niya eh.
You know that pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Alright, last look before natin siya bungkagin. Bungkagin na yan. Anong Tagalog ng bungkagin? Pero yeah, isang tape na lang guys, tapos ilalagay ko na siya sa box. Bye-bye, New York! Thank you very much! Tapos na ako maglinis dito sa lounge, sa kitchen. It's all clean, guys. I was listening to Showtime. Minute ko lang siya kasi commercial pa din naman. I still use this. Still alive and kicking yung aking Bissell na spin wave. Ito yung cordless, guys, na steam up and it works really well. Lalo na sa tiles namin kasi nga yung tiles namin ceramic, diba? So, shiny siya na tiles and it looks good. Like, maganda siya tingnan, malinis siya tingnan kung malinis siya. Kung hindi naman siya malinis, you will know kasi makikita mo talaga. So, kailangan mo siyang i-maintain talaga. So, ito, maganda to guys. Maganda to. May kamahalan siya pero para sa akin, it's very worth it. Like, para sa akin, yung mga panglinis na madali lang, yung cordless talaga yung hinahanap ko. Tapos, yung vacuum ko na Dyson, okay na okay pa din siya. I still use it. Ilang taon na yan sa amin? 2 years na siguro? No, wait. Yeah, 2 years. More than 2 years na yan sa amin, guys. Yeah, it's expensive as well, pero again, it's very worth it. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng vacuum, as long as wala kayong pets, ha, kasi nga, sabi ko na to noon sa vlog ko, pero sabi nung kasama ko sa work noon, kailangan niya ng mas malaki pa, hindi yung cordless kapag may pets ka, kasi maraming balahibo. Pero kung wala naman kayong pets, tapos, like, yung ganituhan lang yung ano nyo, yung setup nyo, then that one works really well. And also, I wanna say na this one is good. Eco Store. Kasi diba, first time natin itong tinry. Before ko to gamit, yung gamit ko is yung Earth's Choice. Mas maganda to guys. Mas maganda yung spray niya. Mas mahal nga lang siya, pero okay lang basta mas nag-work ng mas mabuti. Okay lang diba na mahal. Pero yeah, maganda to. Eco Store. Nabili to namin sa Kohl's. Okay, so malinis na tong dito. I will just need to clean the bathroom. Also, meron pala akong clean with me kung gusto nyong panoorin. It's right here, guys. Video siya ng aking paglilinis. Meron akong voiceover doon and all that. Oh my gosh, it's clean. Alam nyo ba, ang init sa labas, pero umuulan. Mainit pero umuulan. So, hindi naman siya mainit na like, nandun si sun, pero nafe-feel mo ba na it's very warm, pero it's raining. It just started raining actually, and sabi sa weather forecast, may thunderstorms daw ngayon. Meron talagang langaw. Akala ko napatay. Sige, follow me. Kasi papatayin kitang langaw ka. Pag na-open namin, kahit konti lang yung labas, may nakakapasok talaga na langaw. Kailangan patayin agad kasi no to langaw tayo, no to langaw. Okay, dito naman tayo sa banyo, guys. Ito yung mga gamit ko sa banyo. Toilet cleaning wipes para dun sa toilet wipes. Toilet cleaning wipes dun sa toilet wipes. Glass cleaner para sa mirror. And then, ito. Kasi malapit na maubos to sa akin ito. Ito, kahit na anong brand lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi pag toilet naman siya, wala pa ako nakikitang difference sa kanila. As long as yung kulay is blue or green. Hindi ko pinipili yung yellow. Mas gusto ko blue or green para mas like puti talaga tingnan yung toilet bowl natin. So, ito, pang last na to. Yung unahin ko muna is wipe ko yung sink, yung mirror, tapos vacuum. And then kasi tiles din to dito. Lahat kasi ng bathroom namin tiles. Yung carpet lang dito sa bahay namin is yung 3 kwarto. Pero the rest, tiles na sila guys. So same ceramic tiles yung buong bahay except nga dun sa mga kwarto. So yeah, after ko mag-vacuum, I will steam up. And pang last is lilinisin yung toilet. Itong bathroom na to, I'm not sure if nakita nyo na to. Oh yeah, actually, I have, kung napanood nyo yung house tour, I'm not sure kung napanood nyo kasi sobrang tagal ko na yun na ano. Meron kaming, dito actually, shower. So, shower to at saka toilet. Itong guest or common bathroom namin. Meron din kami dyan bathtub na I think I've used once, guys. And I've been here for almost 4 years na. Pero once ko lang yan nagamit. So, yeah.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Tapos na ako, guys! I'm done! Hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung paglilinis ko dun sa banyo kasi dumating si Dan and naligo siya, guys. Pero yeah, I'm done. Hindi ko nilinis yung dalawang kwarto kasi hindi ko naman talaga nalilinis yung buong bahay ng isang araw. Parang dinidivide ko siya ba. So, nalinis ko na yun nung nakaraang araw, yung dalawang kwarto. Tapos ito, lagi ko itong nililinis dito na parte. So, mga twice a week ko siyang like nililinis yung wipe talaga. Pero yung ligpit-ligpit, lagi ko siyang ginagawa kasi ayoko ng, as much as possible, ayoko ng kalat. Pero hindi na iiwasan, meron pa rin kalat. Lalo na ngayon, ang daming paperworks everywhere. Tingnan nyo, kumalat na naman. Kumalat na naman, may mga papel na naman. Itong isang taong to, itong taong to, itong taong to. Ito ang dahilan sa kalat. Kakalat ka. Ha? Guys, it's 7:05. Si Dan hindi pa siya gutom. And ako, hindi pa din ako gutom. And kanina pag uwi niya, may dala-dala siyang bread. Ito yung bread na masarap with butter. Now, sobrang sarap niya kapag nasa bahay kami ng mama niya. So, hindi ko siya kinakain dito. Kasi ayoko masanay na kumakain ako ng bread dito with butter. Pagdating sa mama niya, baka hindi ko siya magustuhan. Alam mo yun? Pero, ngayon na dala-dala siya na itong bread na to, gusto ko na tuloy kumain ng bread with butter. So, aalis kami, bibili kami ng butter. Yung plano ko sana is mag-ano ako omelette na may kamatis at saka onion na sobrang sharp. Kaya lang, hindi pa ako ganun kagutom. Pero, gusto ko kumain ng bread. So, pupunta kami sa shops. Bibili kami ng butter. Yung spreadable butter. Yung nasa lips ko pala is itong dalawang to. Yung galing kay Etude House, collaboration nila with Hershey's. Minix ko lang yung dalawa. So, yes sir, let's go. Ayan, yung camera ko, hindi niya kaya yung sudden change of lighting. Hindi siya nakaka-adjust agad-agad. So, kailangan muna siyang i-off. Tapos, ulit. Alright, let's go to the shops. Do you have money? What's a want man without money?
Where's my shoes? My phones.
I got you, my love.
That's your time. Do you have too many shoes? We should go for the shoes I've got.
I just decluttered shoes. See, before, my shoes didn't fit there. Now it fits, so I'm fine. But yeah, you're right. We should. I'll declutter. Guys, bagyo na this. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. Pero 31 degrees. Mainit siya. Very humid, pero sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tingnan niyo naman to. Wow. I know, it's summer. Pero sobrang lakas ng ulan. Ang weird kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. You would think na malamig, di ba? Hindi malamig. Mainit. Igang na humid. It's very weird. Sobrang lakas talaga. Oh. Pero ngayong araw lang to. Bukas wala na to. It's not happening tomorrow, right?
What's that?
This thunderstorm. Yeah, I don't think so. Wala, tatakbo pa naman tayo. Ingat ka, babe. Baka matamaan na naman yung sasakyan natin. Good job. Good parking, my love. Wow, good job. Okay, iwan ko kayo guys kasi umulan. It was blurry. Oh, gosh, guys. Just because of this freaking butter. Ang ulan, sobra. Ay! Oh, basang-basa ako. Kahit na ang lapit lang namin kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Okay na nga ngayon, hindi na masyado. Kanina talaga. Oh! Pero it's good kasi hindi talaga siya malamig. Ang lamig dun sa shop. Yung shop na yan talaga. Grabe, yan talaga yung pinakamalamig sa lahat ng shops. Ewan ko din. That's the coldest grocery I've been to in my entire life. Yes, it is.
No way.
No, it's really cold in there. I always complain about how cold it is. I need to get like a coat or like a fur coat to survive. It's really cold.
Look at the water.
Yeah, it is flooding. Look at that, guys. Wait, baby, nainay lang. What are you doing?
I'm making the water go high. No one will drive near me.
Okay, that's
Oh,
enough.
that's a good one.
That's enough. Hello, babe. Grobe. Lululululu.
Watch this, let's go. We should go for a drive around.
Nah. Nakapasok yung tubig, guys. Agoy. Babahin tayo nito, babe, da.
Take off your phone, so it shouldn't be.
Was it fun driving, babe?
Loved
Savage talaga tong asawa ko, guys. Hayaan nyo na lang siya. We have a swimming pool?
Yeah.
We will see. Oh.
Look how
Do you wanna
high
go swimming? Wait, let me see. Hello. Swimming. That's alright. My thunder. Hala! I brought the remote in. I'll leave it here, okay?
Leave it where they are, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Uy, hindi naman nag-speed si Dan kanina, ha? 50 nga lang yun eh. Ano nga lang siya, kapag gumanon ka, mana yung tubig talaga. Anyway, let's eat bread! Bread. Let's slice this bread. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung ano nito. Lasa. Pero it should be good with butter. Ooh, that's hard. It's hard bread, my love. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Ah, that's good. It's holy. No, you didn't wash your hands.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
You just got in.
Yeah, I washed them when you were...
In the rain? Oh, this is really good with butter. Ito, masarap to with butter, guys. Yan, yung maraming holes. Hard on the outside, soft on the inside.
You can cut it all out?
No, just half. Just this. Why? Do you want me to? Do you want me to?
plenty.
Yep, that's perfect.
Put this in the bag.
Doing some jam as well. We got some apricot jam in here, people. And you are on the butter, so get out of there, people. We got this butter. Good job. Oh, I need to wait for it to warm up a bit. Oh, this is so good.
You sure this is the right butter?
Yeah, this is the right butter, definitely. Why?
That's nice.
You don't think it is?
Don't know.
Kain tayo, guys. Bread. Bread yung paano? Bread yung dinner. Lutuin natin yung steak ni Danny Boy, guys. Rump steak. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng salt, pepper, Italian herbs, at saka paprika on one side. No paprika on the other side. Let's do this! Alright. Steak. Oops, sorry. Uy. Steak. 14 should be alright. I'm gonna do my skincare and wala pang 10. Kagabi, diba sabi ko matutulog ako ng maaga. Mas maaga siya compared sa mga previous days, pero hindi pa din siya like maaga, yung gusto kong maaga. Kasi ang init kagabi. Like, nakaano na nga ako. Ito yung suot ko na pantulog, oh. Pakigul na shorts. Yung sobrang ikli na shorts na parang wala na. Sana hindi na lang ako nag-shorts. At saka ito, sobrang init pa din. Nakauna yung AC. Usually kasi inuuna namin yung AC. Tapos pinapatay namin after mga, let's say, 30 minutes na naka-on siya. So we should have enough of the cold na nasa loob ng kwarto. Kasi kino-close namin yung door. Siya, siguro mga 5 minutes lang nawala agad. Tapos biglang uminit agad. Naghubad ako, guys. Pack! Birthday suit ako. Tinatry ko na matulog. Wala. Hindi pa din ako nakatulog agad. Hanggat sa inunian didan yung AC. And nagising kami ng madaling araw. Hindi ako madaling araw nagising. Oh yeah. Mga 7. Hindi yun madaling araw. Ayun, sabi ko, hala, naka-on yung AC. Kaya pala ako nakatulog kasi naka-on lang yung AC. Sobrang init talaga. Ngayon, hindi siya sobrang init. And to think na nakahubot-hubad na ako dun kagabi ha. Hinubad ko to kasi pati ito sobrang nainitan ako. Pero yeah, dahil sa init, bliname ko yung init kagabi. Kaya hindi ako nakatulog agad. Pero it feels really good na malinis na ulit. Like, yeah, hindi ko naman siya pinapaabot na sobrang dumi ng banyo. Pero it just feels really good. Amoy ko pa yung yung panglinis na gamit ko. Parang, it's clean. Yan, hindi ko yan nalinis. Gusto kong gamitin yung CLR, yung binili natin sa Halls, sa banyo. Pero hindi ko siya nalinis kasi nga naliligo sila pag linis ko kanina. Pagdating niya ng bahay, ligo agad siya guys kasi it's very humid outside. Parang sobrang init. Anywho, I'm gonna do my skincare. Ay, mag-ano tayo ng mask. Merong EGF, Lipidur, Snail, very nice, Rice Wine, and Sinake. Okay? EGF is Epidermal Growth Factor. It stimulates cell growth or epidermis, skin, diba? Dermis, epidermis, diba? Epidermal growth factor. Promotes cell growth daw. Alright, yun yung gagamitin natin sa epidermal growth factor. Mamaya, mahuwas muna ako ng muka. Nalaglag lang naman kayo. Alam nyo kasi saan ko kayo pinapatong? Dito ko kayo pinapatong kay Chanel Gabrielle. Diyan ko kayo pinapatong. So, kapag may kinukuha ako like ito, basta kapag nagalaw ko to, na-outbalance kayo. Nahuhulog kayo. Minsan kasi ayusin nyo yung balancing nyo. Anyway, lalagay ko na kayo sa baba kasi baka mahulog na naman kayo. Okay, masira. Okay. Guys, ito pala yung silk natin na... Oh, babe! You have a silk pillowcase now. How does it feel?
It's nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
And this one matches our quilt perfectly.
What's a link or Instagram or?
Yeah, I'll leave it below.
Leave it below.
Yeah, this is really nice, guys, as in promise. And then I love my pillow as well. Last night, because it was really hot, I took off my...
One side's cool.
Yes, that's what I did last night. So I took off the pillowcase. And can you help me please expose my pillow? Oh, it's on the other side. This one, oh. Meron siyang blue. See? Kita nyo na? Meron siyang blue. So, tinanggal ko yung pillowcase kagabi kasi nga sobrang init. And ito, ay, feel mo talaga siya as in, meron talagang kaibahan yung parang may cool effect sa isang part tapos yung sa kabila wala. But yeah, this pillowcase is really nice. Thank you so much. S&Co Luxury Silk. Link below. Match na match yung kulay niya sa ano namin, oh, sa quilt namin. And then white din. Perfect. Mas mapapasarap yung tulog natin to, guys. Bongga talaga. Anyway, may mask na ako. Iba yung itsura niya, diba? Meron siyang parang pakurba talaga ng mukha na pagganap. Kahit nga ang laki na ng ano ko, agtang ko, hindi pa dyan na niya na-curve ng maayos, oh. Hindi niya na-curve ng maayos. Hindi niya na hulma ng maayos. Anyway, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Maganda to. Maganda to kasi diretso dito sa ilalim, oh. Kasi paano talaga siya? Pahulma talaga siya ng mukha. EGF. Epidermal Growth Factor. Bongga. Do you want a mask on? Do you want a mask? Hoy. Huh? Do you want a mask or no? You can say no. Do you want one?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Let's put mask on Dan. Anyway, that's it for this vlog, guys. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.